Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to create this beautiful pattern in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, create a new file. Change its width, height and resolution and then click on create. Now create a new layer by pressing this icon. From the toolbar, select elliptical marquee tool. Draw a circle. Now let's add a gradient to it. We will create a ball-like effect. So let's add the hues of some orange and yellow to it. To add a highlight, we can add a lighter tone to it. Hit OK. Select the radial gradient and fill it by dragging it. Press Ctrl and Command D to deselect it. Now let's create a shadow to our ball. With the same process of creating the circle, this time we will create an oval shape. Fill it with black. Now go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Change the radius to around 30. Hit OK. And then click on the vector mask icon and with the gradient tool selected and black as the foreground color, mask out the edges to make it appear soft. Now go to Edit and select Define Brush Pattern. Here, name the pattern and hit OK. Now let's create a new document. Add a layer to it. Go to Edit, Fill. In the Content, choose Pattern. Check on the script and choose Symmetry Fill. Choose your pattern in the Custom Pattern and hit OK. In the Symmetry type, choose the Relative Rotation Symmetry. Change the following values. You can even do it according to you. When you are satisfied, hit OK. As you can see, a beautiful pattern has been created out of it. Do experiment with your own ideas to make these amazing patterns. And if you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.